Another outstanding day. It was raining earlier. Thought my nickname was going to stick. But it turned out pretty nice. Good temperature, not freezing, not hot. Just amazing out here. I wasn't so tired today and hurting, but getting out of the creek makes it a little better, right? We just walked out here a few minutes, and as soon as we come out here, it starts raining. It was literally when I walked out here, the sun was shining. As soon as I stepped on a creek, it's raining. So go figure. Well, we're out here, might as well see what we can get. I'm gonna do a couple test pans over here. And I gotta put my phone away before it gets wet. Guess Brian's doing a test pan. RP moved on me. No, it's not right again, but I thought I seen some up in here. I guess we'll have to see. Yeah, after this, I'm going to move it. It's like sidewinding. Not the best day out, but right now it ain't sleet or hail or there's a hole over there. Mike Vendetta should know where that is right there. Sorry if I'm sniffling. It was pretty cold. Oh, I want to show what Ron got me. Let's see if I can do this without dropping my phone. Little snuffer bottle, leather pouch. Yeah, I'm going to move this or I'm going to be losing gold. Can't tell if I've probably seen a piece right in there. I think we'll probably get more when we go get deeper in this hole over here in the cobbles. All right, I'm gonna put this down because I'm already losing everything.
Hey, Richard.
Oh, it was like a mirror type effect. You can see each other. All right, y'all, get this cleaned up.
Well, that wind's a little cool now that I'm soaking ass wet, Richard.
Yep.
Wind will pick up, come through it.
At least the sun's trying to come out. Yeah, a couple of specks in there. Some little stuff came down here, but snuff this up. This is just the first cleanup. First bucket. So see what else we can get.
Yeah, your pheasant back. Your supper, Richard. It'd be good to make stock with, or mix in with something to make salt.
Well, everyone, we're back from where it's nice and warm and not freezing. Hail, sleet, all that happy stuff. Didn't get that much out there. Then again, we only probably ran a couple buckets each. Not that many, maybe 2, 3 half buckets. It was pretty miserable. I got some rocks cleaning up. I found a couple fossils. Nothing special. Do have all this to go through. Only stuffered up a couple little flakes. Flour. Thanks, Rob. Rocky Mountain White Prospecting. This worked really well. Of course, you have to have the spout extended, I think. But I had it sitting like that the whole time, and it didn't fall out. So it's supposed to be made for you around your belt, but I was wearing my trout waders, so ended out really good. Also, what made that coin ring didn't turn out that well. HD, really appreciate it though. The coin, you can barely see the 1969 on there, but I think I have to have one more fixture to make it. You can see it's a little bit beveled, but that's okay. Do appreciate HD. Hope to meet you guys down there at Cottonwood. It's only about 2 weeks now. Sorry I'm sniffling and probably wheezing a little bit. Being out there in the cold all day wasn't that great for my breathing. Might be a little sick too. Coughing up some chunkage. Went ahead and classified this down to an 8, I think. So it's a little bit chunky in here, but I'm just gonna run it. Even though it was a miserable day, it's always nice to be out in the creek. Even though it's cold, windy, and everything else, it was really nice to hang out with Brian. Check out some stuff around the creek, everything's going. Really nice seeing everything starting to green out and go back to normal instead of snow and ice. I got my cot and some of my camping gear out. This week I'm going to go through. I haven't been camping for years, so make sure everything's okay. Might get one of those little, what do you call it, mess tent. You know, to go over like a picnic bench or something. It's my record for raining during camping. It's usually 80%. So ever since I was a kid, if we're gonna go camping, at least one day is usually gonna be rain. All right, guys, I'm gonna run this out and bring it back to the very mediocre snuffer dump. Sure, we get that dredge going. I'm sure we miss a lot just what we were doing. So, yeah, let me bring you guys back after I run all this material. All right, we're back. Went through all that material. I know it's not going to be a big score. Well, it was a good time out there. I was able to order one of the Mill Prospecting's Mighty Mini. To get that soon. Probably do that next. Also, I got a stash bag from Doug Odette. I'm gonna do. Yeah, I got a carburetor rebuilt kit for the dredge. Brian's gonna put that in this week or next. I think we got like what, about 2 weeks to go. Yeah, not much. Just a little shiny. A lot of micro flower gold. Yeah, Brian started getting into clay. We probably should have went farther, but didn't really have the time. Not too bad, I guess. It's a fun day. Yeah, hopefully getting that. This is the last one. So that'll be fun to get into next. Also, I got this in from Carolina Gold Girl. This is the Operation Four Paws keychains. The silver round. I got to clean off. I guess there was a sticker on here at one time or something. I got to clean that off to go with my buffalo. Really neat round. This is the center punch from the ring. You guys can see that. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing any more until I can figure out that fixture I need, so I can make more rings. I think that'll be great gifts coming up. If they weren't mushroom. Also, I didn't heat treat it, so I had excuse me, had a little crack on here, but I can clean that off. But not bad. Appreciate HD for the coin. Like I said, I think I'm gonna ruin another one just to have it not turn out right. But catch you all on the next one. Have a blessed week, and thanks again.